Today we're going to be drawing a fox. I wanted to show you a picture that we're going to draw. Alright, that's the picture. Alright, what you're going to need to do this picture is a pencil. So get out your pencil and we'll get started. Alright, we're going to get started. You can use a pencil to do yours so that if you make any mistakes you can erase. I'm going to be using a Sharpie so that you can see what I'm drawing on my paper. Alright, what you want to do is have your paper turned the long way. And a little bit above the center here, we're going to draw two ovals for the eyes. So, one oval, two ovals. All right, so two ovals. Try to get them about the same size. If they're not exactly the same, that's okay. All right, in the corner here, we're going to draw a circle for the reflection. All right, and then you can color this in. You can do this later with your color. I'm just going to do it with my Sharpie right now. All right, in between the eyes right here, we're gonna draw a line like that. This is gonna be for the nose. So we're gonna draw a little U shape right here, and then you can color this in. All right, underneath here, we're gonna draw a shape that looks like a smile. It's not actually gonna be his smile though. It's the bottom of the head. So just right here. All right, so it's gonna be the bottom of the head. And then foxes have little fur on the side here, so we're going to show that with a little bit of a zigzag line. So go out, in, out, in, out, in. Same thing on this side, 1, 2, 3 on each side. All right, then we're going to connect this side to this side with the top of the head, but it's going to be kind of a funny shape, in a little bit and then rounded and then back in and down. So it's going to be like this, up, back down. So it has a little bit of a flare out here at the bottom. All right, so foxes have big ears, so we're gonna draw some big ears here in this area. We go one, like that. And then we're gonna go over on this side and draw another one. Out. Okay, and then up here on top of his head, we'll give him a little bit of a fur up here with the zigzaggy line. All right, in the ears, we're gonna show the openings. So we're gonna come down and just kind of trace right here. So that's gonna be the back side of the ear coming around, and then the same on this side. Like that. And then inside their ear, they have some fur. So we're gonna just draw a zigzaggy line in here for some fur on both sides. Like that. All right, up above the eyes, give them some eyebrows. Let's draw a line there. And down here at the bottom, we're just gonna give them a little tiny mouth, like that. Okay, now, right under the mouth right here, we're gonna draw two zigzaggy lines for his chest. So go zigzag down, and then zigzag down. I'm gonna try to get them about even down here. The zigzags, however many have, that doesn't matter. All right, we're gonna draw two straight lines down from there. All right, and then at the bottom, we're gonna do a curve around. This is gonna be for his front paws. And then one on this side. All right, and then we're gonna draw a line back up, but we're gonna stop short of that. So maybe about 3/4 of the way up on both sides. And I angled them out so it's a little bit wider here and not so wide down there. All right, then in this area, we're gonna write the letter W. It's gonna be like his fur, like that. And then down here, we can give him a little claw mark, or a toe, two toes. All right, now, we're going to draw his body shape. So we're gonna come out here kind of under this eye and draw a curve that comes around like this. And then one on this side. All right, so it's about halfway down the leg, on this part of the leg. All right, and we're actually gonna stop right there. And then we're gonna show the back leg coming out, and it's gonna come around and connect. So it's just kind of a curved line, and then back to there. And same on this side, back around to there. All right, got that, and then his back feet are gonna kind of stick out here, so I'm gonna draw one right there, draw a little toe, and then another one right here. And toe. So you can see our fox is sitting down. So he's sitting. And the last thing we need to do is right here in the middle, we need to connect this with the curb line. All right, so our fox is missing something. What does he need? He needs a tail, right? So we need to do a tail. So on this side here, or you could do it on this side, doesn't matter, but we're gonna do a S curve. So I'm gonna just kind of curve it up like that. And then we're gonna come back down, give him a big fluffy tail, and connect into the top of the leg there. All right, so the tip of a fox's tail is white, so we're gonna draw a zigzag line right here. All right, so when we color it, then this will be white, and this will be the color of the fox. All right, so I made mine a fall picture. You could add any details you want to around your fox, but I'm going to add some leaves. So I'm just gonna draw some football shapes in a few places for some leaves. Maybe do like an odd number of leaves. So right now I have 4, so I need one more yet. So I'm gonna add one more over here on this side. All right, and then I'm gonna give them all little stems. And then I'm gonna draw some veins. So I'll just draw a line down the middle and then 2 little branch lines out. Okay, so this is our fox picture. The next thing we need to do is we need to color it in. Okay, so these are the 4 colors you'll need to color in your fox and the leaves. Brown, orange, red, yellow. You can use colored pencils or markers. I'd suggest if you're gonna use markers that you trace your fox with black Sharpie marker, or at the end, after you're done coloring with the marker, go back around and trace it with a black water-based marker. All right, so on your fox, they have like, their muzzle is kind of a lighter color. So I'm gonna sketch a line across here to the yellow at the bottom here. Please excuse the wobbly camera. I think I picked the worst table to do this at. All right, and then the top of his head is gonna be orange. So I'm gonna color that all in orange. Okay, so the picture is all colored in. Share your results on Seesaw. I'd like to see what you did with your fox. What other extra details did you add to your picture? All right, have fun and enjoy. See you next time.